Creativity and collaboration are the heartbeats of vibrant communities. Do you know someone who embodies the spirit of I Am Cooperation and Harmony Award? A person or organization that tirelessly works to bring joy, unity, and social advancement through the arts. Nominate them for the I Am Cooperation and Harmony Award and help us celebrate those who turn creativity into a powerful force for community connection and advancement. Together, we can amplify these efforts and inspire a new wave of artists and organizers who will shape a more joyful and harmonious future for our community. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org. Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products at iamproducts.store.
Say who? Community Development. 0% interest business startup loans for terms of 12 to 18 months. Visit us at tehooCommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228. Your business is our priority.